Imagine making $20,000 every single month from anywhere in the world just using your laptop or phone. Sounds impossible? Well, in this video, I'll show you a step-by-step strategy to make it happen in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end, because I'll reveal a secret bonus method that can boost your earnings even faster. Choose a high-income online business. Not all online businesses are created equal. If you want to hit $20,000 per month, you need to choose a business model with high earning potential. Here are the best ones in 2025. 1. Selling digital products, ebooks, online courses, templates. Profit margins. 90% plus you create it once and sell it forever. 2. Drop shipping or print-on-demand, POD. No inventory, no upfront costs. Automated income with the right marketing. 3. Affiliate marketing, promote other people's products and earn commissions. Passive income if done right. 4. YouTube automation. Make faceless videos and get paid by YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links. Pick one of these and go all in. Build your system. Once you pick your business model, you need a system that works on autopilot. Here's how to set it up. Create a website or landing page. Use platforms like System.io, WordPress, or ClickFunnels drive traffic. Use TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, SEO, or paid ads. Automate with AI. Use ChatGPT for content, Canva for designs, and email marketing tools. With the right setup, money flows into your account even while you sleep. Scale to $20,000 per month. Now let's talk about scaling. Making $1,000 is easy, but how do you multiply that into $20,000? 1. Increase prices. If you're selling a $20 product, you need 1,000 sales. But with a $200 product, you only need 100 sales. 2. Use paid ads. Invest in Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok ads to reach more buyers. 3. Build a team. Hire freelancers on Upwork or Fiverr to help with content, ads, and support. The secret? Treat your online business like a real business. Focus on growth and automation. Bonus method, high-ticket sales. If you want to hit $20,000 fast, start selling high-ticket products. These are items priced at $500 to $5,000 like coaching programs, premium courses, or consulting services. With just 4 sales of a $5,000 offer per month, you're already at $20,000. There you have it, a complete step-by-step guide to making $20,000 per month online in 2025. Comment below, which method are you going to try first? Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss more money-making strategies.